Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a memorial bookmark. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. A memorial bookmark is a tangible printed memorial that is created in honor of a loved one's memory. It is also a practical and loving memory keepsake used as a book placeholder. It can contain a lovely sentiment, poem, or tribute, containing a loved one's photo and personalized text. Memorial bookmarks can be laminated and tasseled in its final presentation, or simply printed on a cardstock weighted paper. You can create a memorial bookmark from scratch or by using a ready-made template from the Funeral Program site. If you want to make it from scratch, some setup work is required prior to entering your information. You will first need to determine the size and cut lines for the memorial bookmark, since there will be 4 bookmarks per sheet of paper. Each bookmark will need to be cut for separation after printing and may be laminated and tasseled during assembly. Once the cut lines have been determined and measured, open the software you want to use and place the ruler line for each cut line. You will need to set up the software document for the front and back of the memorial bookmark, respectively. Once you have the format complete, you can add in the other elements, such as the background, text, and photo boxes. It is important that you are very familiar with the software prior to starting your layout, to avoid or minimize any technical issues that may arise. Setting up a memorial bookmark layout from scratch can be time-consuming and complicated since there are multiples on a sheet. If you'd like to get a jump start on the process, utilizing a memorial bookmark template is by far the best option. The Funeral Program site offers ready-to-use memorial bookmark templates available for immediate download. We've taken care of the technical setup, 4 bookmarks per sheet and background design, so all you need to do is begin entering your text and photo. Our online superstore is fully stocked with DIY memorial bookmark templates, as well as other printed memorials. Check us out and see all the choices available for you today, only at thefuneralprogramsite.com.